Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to upload an affidavit for a marriage certificate online. First, it's crucial to understand why an affidavit is needed and to gather all your essential documents. Make sure your original affidavit is correctly attested and notarized by a legal professional. This initial preparation saves a lot of time and ensures a smooth online submission process, preventing common delays. Next, you'll need to navigate the relevant online portal. Start by finding your local government's official website for marriage certificate services. Once there, either register for a new account or log in if you already have one. Look for a clearly labeled section, often called Affidavit Upload or Document Submission, to proceed with your application. Now, let's prepare your documents for upload. Scan your attested affidavit and any other necessary papers into clear, high-resolution PDF or JPEG formats. Pay close attention to file size limits. Most portals require files to be under 2 megabytes each. Carefully upload each document to its correct field on the online form, double-checking that everything is legible and accurate. Finally, it's time for a crucial review before submission. Carefully check all your uploaded documents and the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Confirm that all mandatory fields are filled out correctly. Once you are confident, submit your application and remember to save the acknowledgement receipt or application number. This is vital for tracking your application status.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.